Like, I'm not a chicken.
Just look up. Just ask Mitch, right? It's Mitch.
Mitch, yes.
Look up Mitch. That shit poking out, yeah.
See, you was lying. You ain't think I was like a chicken. You just wanted to see my Adam's apple. Why?
Mitch.
For why?
Why you want to be a girl, Mitch?
I don't. I just got a big butt and I can't help that.
You're delusional niggas.
Delusional?
Belly push. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up.
Because you said, I got a fat ass though. No. Don't try to say delusional though. I got the ass though.
No, you don't, Mitch. Don't stand up.
Who don't know? I know. No, cause now we going a little too far now. I got the ass.
Mitch, no, you don't. You know what I'm saying? Just keep your leg on.
I got the ass. Stop playing. Just say I got the ass, and I'll leave it alone.
You don't got no ass, Mitch.
Look at it. Wait, you was what ICO?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. It's bunch of fast food.
You jacking that? No, he's jacking you. He's jacking you. Hold on. He said put on the lights. He's trying to get litty.
You like what you see? Yeah. No, but y'all saw how he tried to play like I wasn't the queen, like I ain't got no ass though.
You got no ass, bro. You don't got no queen. I'm just playing, bro. I'm joking. Holy shit.
I ain't wanna go. I don't wanna have to go there with you, boy. I don't.
What the fuck? That's the guy. You're on YouTube, bro. You're on YouTube. I'm getting so many views, bro. Keep going. No fucking way. Are you actually a dude?
Yes.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 30.
Are you wearing a thong, bro? Like with your big ass dick? Like that shit probably slips out.
Bro.
This guy's weird.
Like she just thinks she's so funny. Like girl.
Exactly, girl. She ain't like that.
I'm so glad he's scared because he was a little boy. I seen you before.
I thought you was SZA. Yo, you better stop playing. Yo, I thought you was SZA, nigga. On my mama, boy, I was about to say, man. Got to see it through, but you gotta go.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
You a thick ass nigga. I ain't even gonna lie, shorty. Them titties real, ain't they?
Yeah.
So, you still got a dick right now?
9-inch.
Oh, mine's bigger. Mine's shit like 9.5.
Sword fight?
Nah. I'd rather you fight this motherfucker from going in your mouth. Throw some ass real quick. Let me see that motherfucker jiggle.
See what jiggle?
That ass, nigga.
Say please, goth mommy.
Please.
Say please, goth mommy.
Oh, no, that's too much. I just say please, but I ain't doing all that. What, you wanna be my goth mommy, huh?
Just say please, goth mommy. Why was that too much?
Fuck shit. Hello?
Hello?
Hold up. Say hello one more time.
You called me.
What you doing, bro? Damn, you thick. Damn. I've never seen black girl titties. Can I see them?
Well, you wouldn't see them today because I'm not a black.
Oh my god. Are they real? Like, you got them done?
They're real, yes.
Let me see them.
You want to see?
Yeah.
If you want to see them, you gotta say, please let me see them goth mommy.
Please let me see them golf, mommy.
Say it together.
Oh. Can I please see your titties, golf, mommy? Why you got me saying this, bro?
Because
Just curious.
it turns me on.
Let me see them. I'm just curious. I want to see if they look real.
Achoo! Oh, damn, I keep on missing the button. Damn.
You again, gorgeous?
Oh, hey, Queen.
Hello?
It's you.
Huh?
I keep running into you.
You don't remember me.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, boy.
When?
I don't. It wasn't like recently, but I seen you like 4 times on here.
Whenever, how old is you?
You always ask this question.
I gotta know.
I'm 21.
It's part of my questions. It's part of my questions.
I'm 21.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Can I take you to McDonald's on our first date? What, is it a problem? Hello? Is you gonna talk?
Bless your soul, boo. I don't know. Like, I don't know if that was like the joke. He already bought his lip. You like what you see?
Hey. Oh my goodness.
What you making a stank face for?
Something different.
What you mean?
It's not making sense, bro.
Oh, you clocked that I'm a boy. What you doing this for? What that mean?
Maybe T60.
What that mean?
You know 360?
Oh, you want me to turn around?
Oh, finally you understand what I mean.
Don't be sarcastic with me, boy.
Bro, that's not mean that, bro. That's mean avoid.
Oh, thank you. Why you can't talk? You grounded? You a lie. Like I said, make sure y'all sub to the YouTube. We almost have 50K subscribers. We at 41. No, 49. 48. We at 48K. Is one of my moms in here? Can y'all pin my YouTube?
Hi, can I see your feet?
Go on my Twitter.
Well, bro.
Humpty Dumpty.
Sound no more. Humpty Dumpty. Had a great ball.
We'll have a problem. I said F you.
Hey, listen. We're gonna go like this.
Why are you taking let me come here? The fuck?
We're gonna like.
Hello.
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 Oh, your hair is so
I love your
pretty.
hair. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. The hair. Oh.
Hello. Habibi. Hello.
Listen. I'm gonna give you back both of your brain rights, but PvP me for them back. Put up another item. Just don't use your hexes on.